Hey guys, back at Race City Marine today with a 2006 Centurion Avalanche C4 Storm Series. V-drive wake boat, tower speakers, bimini top, and we'll go inside and take a look. Snap out carpet. It's the famous bulkhead that Centurion's known for that gives it that good ride. No flex in the hull. JL audio speakers in the front. Notice there was a JL sub down below. The kick panel cover's dented a bit, but that's not a big deal. It does have Centurion Perfect Pass. 10-person capacity on this boat. There's an electric trim plate for the rear. Wear on the seat there. And again, this is an older V-drive. Great pricing. Check out racecitymarine.com. I just want to verify this boat is an 06. Shot of the last two digits of the VIN. So if you're looking for an affordable wake boat, check out this one and many others. racecitymarine.com, or stop in and see us 123A Dooley Road, Mooresville. Thanks for watching, guys.